Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Mini Cooper engine. First, always prioritize safety by properly securing your Mini on sturdy jack stands. Next, disconnect the negative terminal of your battery to avoid any electrical surprises during the process. Finally, drain all engine fluids, like the oil and coolant, into suitable collection pans. This crucial preparation ensures a smoother and safer removal. Now, let's start disconnecting the engine's peripherals. Begin by carefully removing the entire air intake system and any connected hoses. Then, systematically disconnect all electrical connectors and fuel lines, labeling them if necessary for easier reassembly. Don't forget to detach the exhaust system from the engine manifold, securing it out of the way. Taking your time here prevents damage. With peripherals out of the way, it's time to support the engine. Use an engine hoist or a sturdy transmission jack to bear the engine's weight. Next, locate and unbolt all engine mounts, making sure to remember their positions for reinstallation. Finally, carefully separate the transmission from the engine block, ensuring all bolts are removed before attempting to pull them apart. Now for the big moment. Slowly and carefully lift the engine out of the engine bay using your hoist, ensuring no components snag. Once removed, take time to inspect all the parts you've taken off for any signs of wear or damage that might need addressing. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed during your projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.